want to. The best time to use self-hypnosis is early in the morning, second is late at night, and the third is in the afternoon after you have your lunch. And the reason is कि जब आप सुबह में उठते हैं, so your brain is already operating in that hypnotic state or that alpha state of mind. Similarly, just before you go to sleep, you are already in that state. So it becomes easier for yourself to condition yourself and to suggest to yourself. It's perfectly alright by the way कि अगर आप रात को करते में आप सो जाएं. अगर आप सुबह में करेंगे, you will notice कि you will feel more energetic during the day. अगर आप दोपहर में करेंगे, you will find you will feel more energetic during the afternoon and the rest of the day. And if you do it at night, you will find that you will sleep deeply, you will sleep better. Now, here's another way of doing self-hypnosis. This is the method 2. Okay. Simply sit straight. Fix your gaze on anything in front of you slightly above your eye level. You see, one of the reasons you keep your gaze above your eye level is because when you keep your gaze above your eye level, it automatically brings your brain waves down, okay, and brings you into the light trance state. And then when you fix your gaze, in a moment you will feel कि आपकी आँखों के आगे, you know, the only thing you can see is this spot that you're looking at. उसके इर्द गिर्द everything gets dark. We call that tunnel vision. Okay. So when you feel like closing your eyes, आपकी आँखों से पानी आएगा, आपकी आँखों में heaviness होगी, and that's perfectly normal. And then you can close your eyes, and then you can deepen your trance by counting backwards, by doing progressive relaxation if you want, and then give yourself some good positive suggestions and open your eyes. Here's another way of doing this. The third way of using self-hypnosis is again, sit with your spine straight, close your eyes, okay, and take a nice long deep breath. Inhale through your nose, and then tighten your body, tighten your arms, your legs, your chest, your back, and then exhale. Okay. Then take another nice long deep breath. Inhale through your nose, and tighten your body, your arms, your chest, your legs, your back, and then exhale and relax. Okay. And do it the third time, and when you do it the third time, inhale, tighten your arms, your legs, your chest, your back, your whole body, and then exhale, and then relax and close your eyes. And you will find you will be in a nice light trance state. Once you've achieved that state, you can count backwards to put yourself more in trance, and you will find yourself going deeper and deeper.